to support us not get football, we need to watch football. It's what we live with, man. It's there. When you don't watch football, man, we get sick. We get sick. It's abnormal, man. So yeah.
And look at how joyful it is here.
Honestly speaking, so look at football has grown. It's at another level. The support is a lot. I mean, this is midweek, but we still have such kind of support. So yeah, it's very it's a big atmosphere. That's why even PSL will try to inflate the prices because they know we love football and there's no way that we are going to miss the games or going to come. So yeah, but then football is changing.
Are 2 minutes re digress nyana taba ya di-ticket. Why am Mabane Pirates Muskiku the ticket is 100 mara ya motho e 50?
No, they wanna make money from this thing of football. We know that clubs are there to make money.
Sure.
But this thing is very much about leadership. I mean, you increase by 40%.
That's a lot.
40 rand. That thing was 60 people could afford, but it was also tough. But 100 rand. Imagine for someone, maybe you don't attend only Pirates games, you don't attend only Skupuni games, you attend all of the PSL games. So it's going to be how much, man? It's going to be how much? Yeah, they are not trying to do that. So if a mere game is 100 rand, the derby, how much is it going to be?
It's going to be 200.
The final, how much is it going to be? So these people are just monopolizing the PSL. They're trying to just make money out of it. That's the only thing they're doing, but it's unfair to the consumers of the football.
So I hear there are talks that Miguel Gattuso is weakening Sundowns. Do you agree with that statement?
Look, we're not going to shy away from this. Each and every season when Sundowns start, they always start slow.
Sure.
I mean, if you look last season, they started slow with some few injuries because of you find players not getting enough time to rest.
Sure.
Even the same as this season, you find some players from the World Cup, they've been in the end of the league was very much demanding. Yeah, but in terms of players, the end of the season was high demanding because they were fighting for the league.
Sure.
The Champions League was high demanding.
Sure.
The World Cup was also high demanding.
Sure.
So there's always that thing with that element of fatigue, that element of players being injured.
Sure.
But to say he's weakening Sundowns, yes, domestically he's not doing very well. But he brought something that a lot of teams are failing to bring in.
And it makes the whole South Africa happy.
He get a star for Sundowns. After such a while from 2016, he get a star.
Sure.
So you can't say he's weakening Sundowns.
Sure.
He got them something that a lot of coaches failed. Abu Rulani said, give me 4 years. He only took 2 seasons and got the star for them.
But someone can say he's reaping the reward of Rulani, Manroba, Pitos, hard work.
It's a process, leadership.
Sure.
It's a process. That's what we always say. Don't fix when there's no mistake.
Sure.
If you come and fix where there's no mistake, you will start not performing very well.
Sure.
But because you understand it's a process.
Sure.
And that thing started with the likes of Okito Musima. It's a process. It's still gonna be there.
Sure.
So for me, I won't say that he's using the hard work of others or whatever. He came. Things were also tough.
Sure.
I mean, Rulani failed to win that game.
Yes.
So it already tells you that he needed something exceptional for him to get the kind of thing. And the man has been there for I think 3 consecutive finals. He has been there with Sundowns, with Casablancas, and with Sundowns he wins it. So for me, I won't take away the credit away from him.
Sure.
Yes, Sundowns is a team that has been built.
Sure.
But it needed something exceptional for you to win the game. Because they tried, Abaruna.
So let's wrap it up, member. So game here Saturday, Pirates and Skupune. What are your thoughts?
Leadership, let me tell you something.
Sure.
We don't need to win 3 games.
Yes.
To send pain to Pirates.
Sure.
We don't need to win 2 games.
Yes.
To send pain to Pirates.
So you're using
we just need to win Saturday's game.
Sure.
And this result that we lost at Bitamukaba and at Orlando, they will be wrapped off.
Sure.
Because the important win is the one of Saturday.
Sure.
Yesterday's game was the 4th game of the season.
Sure.
We still have 26 games.
Sure.
That we can win.
Yes.
We can get points from those games.
Sure.
So for us, we just need to use the previous 2 games to learn, to correct our mistakes from the defense.
Sure.
But trust me, there is no way that we are going to lose to Orlando Pirates 3 times in a row.
Sure.
And especially at Orlando.
Sure.
Because they know in the past 3 games at Orlando against Pirates,
Yes.
we won 2, they won 1.
Sure.
Which was yesterday. In our past 6 games,
Sure.
they won 2, we won 3. So we still have the advantage. Unfortunately, the mistakes.
Sure.
How we play, we are playing good, but the mistakes.
So Mabagani are this time around to Saturday, both are 3-8.
They say maybe they say it's a sequence.
Sure.
But for us, man, there's no way that we're going to lose. We just need 2 goals.
Sure.
We are done with them.
I hear
We
you.
don't need much. We know they are multi. They come with us multi and everything, which is, you know, there's nothing we can. You know, there's a tough thing about the PSL.
Sure.
The things that Pirates does to you, you cannot do them back to them because
Yes.
of once you do them back to them, you are no longer going to be treated the same.
Sure.
From the PSL, we are not going to be treated the same.
Because of the men in charge.
I don't want to mention the
Okay.
land or whatever,
Sure.
but we can't. You saw the atmosphere yesterday. I took a video.
Sure.
The video was trending throughout the whole media.
Sure.
You saw they were delaying our goalkeeper to train.
Yes.
But if you go to Kuruman and do something like that, the PSL will be come running like a headless chicken to find you.
Sure.
But when it comes to those ones, something, because even Carlos said it.
Sure.
To some, water is water.
Yeah.
But to some, water is oil.
I get
It's
you.
not the same.
Thank you so much,
Thank
member.
you, leadership.
Tango.
Tango.